Suppose we are given these two sets. Set A has the four elements 1, 2, 3 and 4. Set B has the four elements 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now we could create a larger set by merging together the elements of both these sets. So if we merge together the elements of both these sets, we would get a larger set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This merged set is said to be the union of the two smaller sets A and B. So we indicate the union operation by using a letter similar to the letter U, and we say that the set A union B, which is formed by merging together the elements of both A and B, is the set of all elements. A union B is the set of all elements X such that X either belongs to A or it belongs to B. So every element of A will also be an element of A union B, and every element of B will be an element of A union B. So if an element is present in any one of A or B, it would be present in the set A union B. In terms of a Venn diagram, the set A can be represented by a circle like this, which will have 4 points in it corresponding to the 4 elements, and the set B can be represented by another circle which has no overlap with the set A, because the elements in B are completely distinct from the elements in A. Now the set formed by taking the union of A and B will be a set that includes both A and B within its boundaries. And of course we have to assume here that there are no points located in this region, because we are only taking the union of A and B. We are not adding to the union any other elements that were neither in A nor in B. Another way to indicate that would have been to make the sets A and B just touch each other without overlapping, and their union would have been represented by a set that includes elements of both A and B. So this green shaded region is the set corresponding to their union. Now in this case, in this example, the sets A and B had no overlap. Let's look at an example of taking the union of two sets where there is some overlap. So let's say the set A consists of the elements 2, 4, 6 and 8, and the set B consists of the elements 6, 8, 10 and 12. The set A union B would be the set of all elements that belong to either A or to B. So every element of A will be part of the union, so we can just write 2, 4, 6 and 8 straight away. Every element of B will also be part of A union B. But we won't write 6 and 8 again, because 6 and 8 have already been written here. 6 and 8 are common to both A and B. So recall that in the roster form we don't duplicate or repeat elements. So we'll just let this 6 and 8 be as they are, and we'll add 10 and 12 which were not already written. The Venn diagram would look something like this. A has elements 2, 4, 6 and 8. B also has the elements 6 and 8, which is why I've shown them in the region where they overlap, and 10 and 12 are unique to B. So the set A union B is the set represented by this shaded region. It includes A and it includes B. So clearly we can say that the set A will be a subset of the set A union B, and the set B will also be a subset of the set A union B.